HMS Prince of Wales has arrived in Portsmouth after completing post-repair trials. The UK Royal Navy aircraft carrier will be preparing to take part in Exercise Westland 23. HMS Prince of Wales is a huge aircraft carrier, costing $3.85 billion. The Royal Navy completed repairs late last month, and about a week later the ship completed trials and successfully returned to Portsmouth. The repair work took place at Rosyth Dockyard in Scotland. In the summer of 2022, the aircraft carrier broke down less than 24 hours after leaving the Portsmouth naval base. HMS Prince of Wales stopped in the British Channel due to shaft damage. In parallel, the ship underwent minor modernization. Improvements included upgrades to communications and battle management systems, as well as an expanded deck for the fifth-generation F-35B Lightning II fighter jets. Now at the Portsmouth base, HMS Prince of Wales is training ahead of Exercise Westland 23, which will take place off the U.S. East Coast. The UK Royal Navy aircraft carrier will carry F-35B fighters, ARN Merlin helicopters, and V-22 Osprey convertible aircraft during the event.